Namaste, welcome back to my channel. This is Digestion. I'll discuss in this video the multiple choice questions related to the chapter Digestive System. I have made videos theory based on this chapter and the link is in the description box.
So let's start with our questions. First, which of the following enzymes carries out the initial step in the digestion of milk in humans? The answer is pepsin. And the next, the mucosal layer in the stomach form irregular folds known as rug. R-U-G-A-E. C option. Third question. The backflow of fecal matter in the large intestine is prevented by the presence of ileocecal valve, which is the third option. Now fourth. In human body, the role of bile salts in digestion is to emulsify fat and facilitate their absorption, which is B. Okay. Now least peristalsis occurs in rectum. We have learned vitamin necessary for normal functioning of liver, clotting of blood and preventing hemorrhage is phylloquinin. B option. The emulsification of fat will not occur in the presence of bile salts. Yeah, think bile salts. Then the eighth question. The best source of vitamin B is whole wheat bread. The trypsinogen is converted into active trypsin by the action of enterokinase. In rabbit, the digestion of cellulose takes place in cecum. The characteristic of mammalian liver is Glissen's capsules and Kupffer capsules. What type of teeth are absent in rabbit? Canines, as they don't need to bite anything, they just eat carrots. The fat soluble vitamin is vitamin K. K. The ptyalin is inactivated by a component of gastric juice known as HCl. The lactase hydrolyzes lactose into glucose and galactose. Then next, pylorus is present between stomach and duodenum. Elephant tusks are incisors. Which of the following cells produce HCl? Here it's an easy question, which is oxyntic cells, also known as parietal cells. Now the 19th question, which is vitamin D is produced in human body in skin. By sunlight we can produce vitamin D. Most abundant mineral of animal body is calcium. Bile salts acts as an activator of which enzyme? Lipase. When breastfeeding is replaced by less nutritive food low in proteins and calories, the infants below the age of 1 can suffer from kwashiorkor. And the other one was marasmus, which occurs in children above 1 year to 3 years when the protein content is less. Now, which of the following pairs of the food components in humans reach the stomach totally undigested? Fat and cellulose, as they are not soluble in water. A young infant may be feeding entirely on mother's milk, which is white in color, but the stools which the infant passes out is quite yellowish. The yellow color is due to the bile pigments pass through the bile juice. Next is diastema. Diastema refers to the gap between the teeth, which is A option. Which of the following is an organic molecule needed by the body in small amounts? It's vitamin C. Secretin and cholecystokinin are digestive hormones. They are secreted in duodenum. You all know that. FAD is a coenzyme derived from riboflavin. It's an first option. Then the 29th question is, the pH of digestive juice within the human small intestine is between 7.5 to 8.5. The environment is slightly basic. Its pH is basic. Lipids which can be found in oil-based salad dressing and ice cream during digestion are split into fatty acids and glycerol. First option. The next is the crypts of limbican are involved in secretion of succus entericus. First option. The 32nd question is, deficiency of vitamin B12 causes cirrhosis, no. Thalassemia, no. Beriberi, no. Pernicious anemia. Glycin's capsule are found in which organ of mammal? Answer is liver. The production of glucose from amino acids, fatty acids and glycerol is called as glucogenesis. Pellagra is caused by the deficiency of niacin. Inadequate protein intake leads to kwashiorkor. The subsequent edema is most closely related to the inadequate synthesis of which protein? The answer is albumin. Osteomalacia is due to deficiency of vitamin D. In absence of enterokinase, the digestion of what would be affected in our intestine? The answer is albumin. C option, albumin. The essential vitamin for blood coagulation is an easy one. Everybody of us know. Vitamin K. Which combination is mismatched? Vitamin D and rickets, it's correct. Thiamine, beriberi, it's correct. Vitamin K and sterility, it's not correct. Examination of blood of a person suspected of having anemia shows large immature nucleated tricytes without hemoglobin. Supplementing his diet with what is likely to elevate his symptoms? Iron compounds. The major site of protein breakdown to form free amino acids in the environment of liver. C option, liver. Which one is not true about vitamins? Vitamins are organic catalysts. It's correct. Vitamins are indispensable for life. Correct. Vitamins act as a source of energy. It is wrong. The malnutrition disease in man is pot belly syndrome. The process of resynthesis of food materials from simpler food molecules is called as biosynthesis. What will happen if the secretion of parietal cells of gastric glands is blocked with an inhibitor? Then answer is, in absence of HCl secretion, inactive, not converted into the active enzyme pepsin. C. Let's see. Part of bile juice useful in digestion is bile salt. Enterogastron is an hormone secreted by duodenal mucosa. Which of the following has the highest pH? Pancreatic juice. Enterokinase converts trypsinogen into trypsin. Which of the following amino acids is essential for the gut of human diet? The answer is phenylalanine. Succus rotundus is a dilated part of posterior end of ileum. Which vitamin shouldn't be stored? Niacin. Liver of man is four-lobed. The beriberi is a paralytic disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B, thiamine. It was discovered by Exgan. Which of the following is involved in the catalysis of link reaction during aerobic respiration? The answer is vitamin C. Digestive enzymes are hydrolases. The first line of our chapter. The pepsinogen is secreted by, we all know that, chief cells. Maximum percentage of lipoprotein is an chylomicron. Duodenum has characteristic Brunner's gland which secrete two hormones called secretin and cholecystokinin. If pancreas is removed, the compound which remains undigested is carbohydrates, fats, proteins. All of these remain undigested. Which of the following animals eat its prey? Sepia and starfish. Sorry. So it will be D, B and C. Starfish and sepia both eat its prey. Continuous bleeding from an injured part of body is due to deficiency of vitamin K. Deficiency of which vitamin causes loss of appetite, mental confusion, fatigue and muscle depreciation? The answer will be thiamine. Medium in which pepsin is active? Acidic. Treatment with alloxan destroys beta cells of islets of Langerhans. The vitamin which is synthesized by a bacteria is vitamin K. In which of the following organ putrefying bacteria are present? Intestine. Which of the following is the largest gland in an adult male or woman? Man. Liver. It has regenerating capacity too. Which is not used is in the human body? Barium. Pancreatic secretion and gallbladder contraction is stimulated by cholecystokinin. Which is a symbiont inside human intestine? E. coli. Vitamin B12 is available to ruminants by microorganisms in cecum. In the osmotic control of blood sugar level, which organ function respectively as modulator and effectors? Liver and the islets of Langerhans, which has beta, gamma and delta cells and the somatostatin cells. The main function of lacteals in the human small intestine is the absorption of fatty acids and glycerols. The digestive enzyme that is not found in human pancreatic juice is nucleotidase. The epithelial cells lining the stomach of vertebrates is protected by the damage by HCl because the epithelial cells are covered by the mucous membrane. Secretion which is secreted by the mucous cells. 78 question is, starch is converted to maltose by the action of amylase. Which of the following is not a source of vitamin A? Yeast. Hardest part in the animal body. We all know it's the enamel. In horses, rabbits, hares, the cellulose gets digested in the cecum. Pulp cavity of teeth is lined by odontoblasts. Which of the following can be absorbed by the hepatocae? Glucose and amino acid. Prolonged deficiency of thiamine in human diet may lead to beriberi. Chief cells of gastric glands are coiled and tubular. The camicial teeth are modified for cutting. What is cholecystokinin? It is an gastrointestinal hormone. Maximum absorption of water occurs in colon. Secreting hormone is secreted from the duodenum and stimulates pancreas. The wisdom teeth are the last molars. Cut chewing animals are known as ruminants. The chymotrypsin is produced by pancreas. Which of the following fatty acids is not synthesized in the human body? The answer is linoleic acid. Which of the following vitamins is water soluble as well as an antioxidant? Vitamin C. The deficiency of tocopherol in the human body causes which condition? Pernicious anemia. The 96 questions ask, hydrochloric acid is secreted by which cells of the stomach? It is the parietal cells or the oxyntic cells. Brunner's glands are located in duodenum. The true stomach in ruminant, where most of the digestion takes place, is abomasum. Which of the following is an vestigial organ of human? Wisdom teeth. The largest variety of digestive enzymes is found in omnivores.
So with this, we have completed our chapter. The next topic will be on breathing and exchange of gases. If you have any doubt, please let me know. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon.